Recently, I imported some goose and I'm super happy about it. But firstly, I can't wait to introduce you to one of the items. I wish I knew it existed. I don't understand. Why am I just finding out this stuff existed? Like, I believe and I think and I know everybody should have this in their cars, in their house, in their workplace, in fact, anywhere around you, because it's extremely useful. You see this box here? And this one as well. Let me show you what's in them. This one I'm already using it. This one is for me. So this one is what I kept for myself. I'm already using it. I don't know, maybe some of you already have it too. This. You see it here? This thing here is a life-saving machine. It's going to save you a lot of headache. It's going to possibly even save your life. It's going to save your property. You see this thing here? It's a life-saving machine. And this one also. Let me show you this one. Let me open this one. Hold on. It's basically the same thing though. This one also. It's basically same stuff. They do basically the same thing, but this one is slightly kind of like, okay, still kind of like better or something like that, but basically same stuff. But let me drop this one aside because it's the same thing but different company. But let me drop this one aside. Let me introduce this one to you first. You see this stuff here? I wish I knew it existed. I'm going to show you how it works. Which name am I going to call it? According to the company, it's called a tire inflating machine. This one, but I will call it a life-saving machine. I'm going to experiment it, show you how it works. I'm going to experiment it using my own stuff, my own car. So it comes like this. You see, it also comes with this tube and also this little hose here, or something like this. See it? This tube, and also this one. See it like this. I'm going to show you what they are all used for. And this one, it shows, you see, you can still plug. It also acts as a power bank. It also acts as a power bank as well. Power bank. So, but without further ado, they say seeing is believing. Experience is the best teacher. So let me show you what is useful. So basically, this is it. You can see, guys, it's very simple, not too heavy. It's not even heavy at all. It's not even heavy at all. So this one here is it's like a charger. No, not a charger, but to start any machine, any engine. I want to use it to start my generator because my generator battery is dead. So I want to use it to kickstart my generator. You can also use it to kickstart your car as well, even trailer. Why this one is to pump your tires. You see, you see the way it looks. Very, very easy to carry. Not too heavy at all. Not too heavy at all. Very simple, easy to know. So first, let me just plug this. It has the positive and negative. You should make sure everything laps. You chook it inside very well. Make sure everything laps until you see this light, this red and green light, positive and negative. So let's move on. Let me show you where the generator is so that we can start the generator. I better not laugh my generator. My generator is a little bit dirty, you know. really, really dirty. Not little bit dirty, really, really dirty. So don't laugh my generator. So you see the small battery there that I use to kickstart my generator. The battery is dead, and if you, I try starting it, but it's not starting. So I'm going to plug the negative and the positive, you see. Just twist it open and just hook it there, that's all. No matter how big your something is, you can press it and it's going to go in. Also this one is going, just press it and hook it on the positive. Hook it on the positive. That's it. That's just basically it. That's everything you just need to do. So you do your normal setting on your generator, choking, on the fuel. That's the normal thing you need to do with your generator. No matter how big it is, this one will start am. If your battery weak, trailer self, it start trailer. No matter how big it is. You see, I just started it and everything is okay. You see? It's working fine. I bet, don't mind my generator, the smoke. Don't mind my smoke. Generator don't they go yes. So since we are done with that, let us move on to how to use it to pump your tire. Mind you, any tire, they pump any tire. Lamborghini, Ferrari, Urus, Bugatti. As long as say you have it, we can charge it. So don't be afraid. But I will be trying it with this my Corolla tire. This one a Michelin tire. And as you can see, the tire is well pumped. You see, he not able to go down, as you can see. So I will try make I deflate the tire. Let me deflate it to the barest minimum. I will try to deflate it, so you're going to bear with me. Let me rewind. Let me speed up the video so that I will show you how I deflated the tire. As you can see, you can bear me witness that the tire is well deflated. See, but me I see deflate and small again so that I go really see and say the thing did deflated. And so as I press with my hand too, see and say the thing did deflated. No be say don't say I scan, but me I see deflate and more again. Just for a few seconds. Let me still deflate it well so that you guys will be convinced that indeed it works. Let me deflate it too. So no matter how your tire they deflated reach, if you dey road you don't say it don't go down well. It don't go down. You see, I can just easily press it. Now put that down here. I don't want to skip anything so that I go know say there's no that I no do kurukere for the video. You see it there. That is the vibe. These are different hose. You fit, like I've said, you fit take a pump ball, pump different things when you want pump. You see, depending on how your own vibe dey, you can use it to pump. And you can even buy more. If your own no dey fit your Lamborghini or you no fit your Urus, you go find and buy. As long as if you enter inside, no wahala, you go charge am. Ball tire anything at all, it will charge it. So you screw this into it. Sorry. You make sure say that screw enter inside that place. It go tight. No, don't say too tight, it can't break. But you see, it don't tight enter inside. As simple as that. Then you go add the, actually that thing comes so you go add you put it inside the vibe and twist it. So put it and twist it. Don't make sure say no hair is coming out. Make sure there's no hair coming out of that place. Next step, you press the middle. That's the on button. You press it down. See waiting they show there. You can decide to increase it. Increase it to like 3. Increase or decrease it. I just feel like, I don't know, but I just feel like increasing it to 3. It doesn't really necessarily mean, it doesn't mean. This setting doesn't mean. But increase it to 3, then press this middle again. Press the middle again, and you should see it vibrating. You do like a vibration, kind of, you know how phone they vibrate. When you see it vibrating like that, that means it's working. So we're just going to wait and see how many seconds it takes for it to pump this tire here. How many seconds? As you can see, you are seeing it. You see how many seconds it's going to take. So let us be patient. At least I don't want to skip it. So you guys will know that it works. I don't want to skip it. Let's be patient. You can use it for anything. You get some people, motor go trap them for road because of flat tire or because of battery is dead, and they just need something to just start the motor. You see, it's already coming up. It's already extremely hard for me to press. You see, just in 70 seconds. It's even way more faster than your vulcanizer. Way more faster than some of your vulcanizer, you see. Just give it few seconds and think we are done. So this thing I feel is one of the best buy for me so far. Best buy. I never knew it existed. I know maybe some people already have it, but me, I'm talking for myself, and I bet you so many people do not have it. But I never knew it existed for me. I'm not promoting the company. I'm not promoting the company, but certainly I want to be selling it. So if you want, so just reach out to me. You see, it's already too hard for me to press now. But just let me give it like a few seconds more before I remove it. As long as you can get you see how hard it is for me to press. You see, at least you can tell. You can tell is okay now. You can tell. Don't be whitewash video. You can tell. You can tell it's okay now. So I think it's about time for me to remove it. You can tell it's okay now. And it's about, let me just leave it from to 150, 1.50. Let me leave it to 1.50. So if you want to off it, just simply press the middle again. And that's it. Just press the middle, plug it, and then package it back on inside your bag. That's all. It is very, very simple, easy to use. It doesn't give you stress. And you can also plug your car, your tire directly, even when your tire is attached to your wheels, to your car. You can also charge it. You can also pump your tire directly. So it's not as if you must remove the tire. It's not as if you must remove the tire. So it's not a must. You can plug it directly. You can plug it directly as well. Like I said before, you can also kickstart your motor with it. You can kickstart your trailer. Make their battery big. You can kickstart this one with it. You can kickstart it very easy with it. So there is no need for somebody to be park along the road. You see a car park along, you say, "Oga, abeg, give me your battery now." You no need to comot your battery for your motor give person be kickstart a car. With this one, you can just give to him. Una know say sometimes if they comot battery for motor, before that motor go get head again, go dey. Some people who have removed battery from their car just to assist another person. They usually complain that they do not understand their car again. The car system usually shift. So with this one now, you no need to comot your car battery now. You can easily give am. And meanwhile, you also get light as well. You also get light at night, night vision at night, so that you could still work. Get all that different setting. Maybe all those settings might be useful to somebody. I do not know, guys. That's it. And so many other functions as well, hidden function that I do not know about that you might want to use it for. Very simple, I told you guys. I told you. I wish I knew it existed. Do you know how many times I've got to vulcanizer because of just simple flat tire? I've seen people park their car along the road because of flat tire. They trek kilometer just to get a vulcanizer, pay 20, 30, 40, 50, 100,000 naira just to get a vulcanizer because of flat tire. You are traveling and flat tire is ruining your journey. Get this. Get this. If you need it, you can reach out to me though. I'm going to, of course, order it for you and get it for you. But get this. Get this. Reach out to me. I'm going to get it for you guys. Reach out to me. Get this. I show you. You can use it to start your car. You are in the or someone. Sometimes people will approach you. "Oga, abeg, borrow me your battery." You don't have to borrow anybody your goddamn battery. Just get this and give the oil. Take charge. Sometimes if you comot your battery for your motor, before that your motor will come get head again, you will do like this. It charges anything. Lamborghini, Ferrari, Rolls-Royce, Camry, Peugeot, any kind of car. As long as you have this hose and you can change the vibe, so that it will suit your car, it will pump your tire. It pumps anything. It pumps your football, it pumps your bicycle, it pumps your wheelbarrow, anything. This thing pumps it. And after you can, and as well, if it runs down, definitely now, you just charge it. Charge it from this place. Depending on what you have for charger, charge it on this place. That's all. Life Make Easy. This thing is called Life Make Easy. I wish I knew it existed. So reach out to me, guys, to get it if you want it. But this one is mine. I have. Reach out to me before it finishes, so that you won't have to wait for me to start ordering another ones again. Because I only have about 10 of these. 10 of this is left. I bought about 20. I sold 10 already. I gifted not sold 10. I bought about 25. I sold 10 and I gifted 5 to my family member. I gave one to my wife. I gave one to my father-in-law. I gave one to my dad. I gave one to my mom. I gave one to my mother-in-law. That is okay. I sold 9 then. I sold 9. Okay. Reach out to me, guys.